Alright guys, so we're not taking this thing today or the truck. The Yonke's Beto's gonna come pick me up right now, and we're gonna go to Donuts and Derelicts for this United Pacific event. Then after that, we're gonna go pick up the truck because I finally got the door handles installed. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for them to roll up in a minute and then go to Donuts. Let's go.
That's just like 28 minutes away.
It's not, it's like Tony. That shit's always wrong.
But we're in slow car.
Yeah, it's always wrong. Wait.
You
can't get there. That's right.
I told him he'll know how it feels to finally be in a fast car.
Alright, let's go. What's up, Dom Toretto?
I live my life a quarter mile at a time now.
Did you bring it?
Yeah.
You brought the charger?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. All right. Yeah, bro. All right, guys. Well, we're here. We're just going to cut to cinematic because there's not really much to do right now. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Look at
Cars, yeah.
Put your head on my shoulder.
So let's have a fine hand for young Paul Anka, won't you please?
This fool's always roasting. He's not even. Look at where you're at right now in the passenger seat. Come on, man.
I'm riding bitch. It is what it is. Hey, Fred. I'll still be in front of you, though. I'll still be in front of you.
What?
I'll still be in front of you.
Look where you're at behind me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Spot number 2.
Yup. Hopefully we make it in one piece.
Yeah. He's gonna do that shit, watch. Too much power was.
Fucking turtle started pulling it in.
Basically, most of the time.
It's starting already?
Yeah, so we're here, spot
What's
number 2.
going on, boys? We're at spot number 2 here, and still riding bitch because he has no truck.
And we're not gonna go to the next spot.
We're not gonna go to the next spot because he's tired of carrying the roast all day. So far, I just gapped LS3 Vel over there.
All that money, bro. You just need a 307.
What was it, like 6 car lengths? 307, you'll gap anybody.
So,
Alright, peace out, players.
we'll come back.
Good seeing you guys.
We'll come back once we
Come back. Alright, ready for the transition?
Alright.
What's going on here, you guys? We're back at fucking Backyard Yonkers and Greasy Thoughts video.
Alright, so we're not going to spot number 3. We're gonna go pick my truck up. So we'll see you there.
Shut up and send me the address.
Alright. Alright guys, so a couple days ago, or actually yesterday, I dropped my truck off to get the custom Kindigit door handles installed. And I dropped it off over here at, where is it? Customs by Lopez. And it's already done. It's been about a day. And
It was all wet, man.
yeah, bro, this shit is sick,
Show
dude.
me your pants.
Dude, I might be a little moist, but
Who hasn't stopped smiling since we got here?
bro, open it up, dude. You know that shit's hard. So, it's all done. So, huge shout out to Ricardo over here at Customs by Lopez. It's all done. Now we're gonna go head out and eat. Go. It looks sick though, huh? So.
Just need to get rid of this ugly ass thing right
Well,
here.
that's all you, buddy. Dude, come on, bro. It's supposed to seal. Jesus.
There, fool. You're official. You're official now, fool.
He's gonna go home and that shit's gonna catch on fire, bro.
I'm gonna give him a beer, fool, so wherever the fire starts, he can just put it out. 'Cause I know he ain't gonna drink it.
The Mama Lona, yeah. So we were at Fred's house for a while. They probably have a video, so I'll link their YouTube channel description. It's the Backyard Yonkes. But now I'm at Blake's.
Hey, what's up?
And what are we doing, Blake?
I'm gonna show Will what a fast car is.
Dude, if you lose, you know I'm gonna put that over and over again. Oh, and then yeah, so here, the door handles are done. So the Kindigit door handles are done. Oh shit, I wasn't even recording. So yeah, the Kindigit door handles are done. Customs by Lopez did a sick ass job. They open and close really good, and I can't complain. And then on the other side, they shaved the keyhole, and it's sick because Kindigit really only sells you the handle. They don't sell you the mechanism, so they figured it out so I could lock it. So this is gonna open, and basically it all good works good, and yeah, it's time to go race, Blake. Ready to catch a cell?
You're gonna need aerodynamics to keep up with that square ass Jeep over there.
Nah, bro, you don't want it.
On what? On go? Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. On go. 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, that was close. That was close.
That's so fucking
Close. That was so. Who do you think won though?
I don't know.
One more?
I was really scared. I kept thinking it was kidding.
One more?
I guess we good. You wanna roll it now?
No, fuck, one more like that. We're even. Fuck, I can't believe how close it is. Alright. 3. Wait, 3. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Holy shit, it's so close! It was even! Alright, let's go! Alright, we were so close. He spun, so we had to lift. But I spun and I had to lift. So like, it's really interesting. It'd be funny to go down a track that's like prepped to see who actually won. But we're gonna go grab some food, so we'll be back and see who actually won, and we'll talk about it.
Dude, that shit was close, bro. I can't. Who do you think got it?
I don't know. I think we need more drag.
I think we need more drag strip too, because you get me in the beginning. I'll give it to you, but I feel like off the line you got me. But like once I like almost stop spinning, I get close.
Yeah.
Like and it's like right as we're about to prove it.
Once you catch up, we're like
neck
we're
and
on
neck.
guns, yeah. I think I kept letting off early because I know you were on the inside. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna mess this turn up.
Yeah.
So, but I think, dude, if we had more drag strip, it'd be interesting.
Do you think? I don't know, bro.
If we had some sticky floors, I'd break stuff, but it would be interesting.
Dude.
We both had some traction.
Well, we need to
blew
see.
it off the second
I know.
one,
I
yeah.
blew it off every line. I blew it off the line, and then shifting first to second, it would like almost blow off the line, then hook again, and.
It was pretty good, dude.
Dude, I can't believe it, bro. Dude, gears make a huge difference.
Yeah,
I can't believe it. 456s, right?
The tranny's probably leaking all over. I smelt it. Oh yeah, that's tranny fluid.
So, yeah, we got to re-race. It was inconclusive.
We're gonna do it again.
Yeah, which fucking.
Now I'm gonna race you in my other car.
Alright, so we're gonna go eat and probably come back and I'll probably finish up the video, so I'll be back. Alright guys, well, I just made it back home. Today was a really eventful day. I got to hang out with a bunch of everybody and we rolled up deep to pick up the truck and the door handles are all done and me and Blake raced today. Can't believe how close I was, but yeah, I guess hoping that 2 weeks from now we're taking the truck apart, taking the cab off, go drop off at Wetos, get painted and a bunch of extra stuff done to it, smoothing the firewall and a bunch of other stuff, and then that's really it. And then start swapping all the parts from one frame to another frame and get ready and hopefully have this thing done for Dino's. I have 2 months, so the crunch is starting to get real. But here, let me show you the handles one more time because I'm so stoked on them. So yeah, they did an awesome job. They work perfectly. And they close perfectly. So yeah, that's it. They're done. There's not really any excuses. It's apart from taking the truck apart now and getting it done with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you look forward to the rest of the awesome content that I should be making with the truck soon. And yeah, subscribe.